Welcome to Live Joy Yoga. Let's begin in Tadasana. Feet parallel, hip width apart or together. Rooting down through the feet, bending the knees. And as you straighten, pressing down through the core of your legs into the ground, lifting tall away from your hips with your upper body. Bring your hands to your ribs. Feel your breath as you expand in the rib cage. And as you exhale, allowing all of the air out and the ribs to close. Inhale the arms out and up to touch at the top. Exhale, open the heart, looking up towards the sky. And inhale, bringing your hands back together. Exhale, releasing all the way down. Inhale the arms out and up. Exhale, open the heart, arms down halfway. Inhale, up. And exhale, releasing down. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, open halfway, heart face to the sky. Inhale, hands together. And exhale, releasing. Inhale, the right arm out and up. Exhale, bending to the side. Inhale, up. Exhale, releasing the arm. Inhale, left arm out and up. Exhale, bending over to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, releasing the arm. Inhale, both arms out and up. Exhale, folding forward from the hips. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, releasing down, stepping back, hands and knees, tabletop. Release everything to the ground. Allow your head to roll side to side. Shake it out, releasing the neck. And now press down into the floor, engaging the core, pulling up into the spine, lengthening. Extend your right leg behind, reaching it far out behind you, lifting it off the ground, parallel to the floor. Flex the foot, and now reach your left arm out in front of you, reaching long, pulling in opposite directions for balance. And slowly releasing everything back to the ground. Step or carry your right foot forward into low lunge. You can bring your hands to your knee, squaring the hips, left hip forward, right hip back. Inhale the arms up. And as you exhale, turning towards the right, left hand goes to the ground. Tuck your left leg underneath you. Your right leg is crossed over. You can pull it into your chest as you lift and twist. And completely unwind. Come to sit in a cross-legged position up on a block if you need to. Inhale the arms up and exhale as you fold from the waist. Relax your head down. Just fold over, hang and relax. And come up, reaching up towards the sky. Inhale, lengthening. And exhale, twisting to the right. Use your knee and the floor for balance. Try not to pull and force the twist. Release. Uncross your legs, coming to hands and knees once again. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, relaxing everything to the ground. Find some movement, moving the spine, shake your hips from side to side. And now press down into the floor, engage the core, pulling it up towards the spine, lengthening through the top of the head and out through the tailbone. Reach your left leg back and bringing it off the floor parallel to the ground. Reach the right arm out in front, really pulling all the way through the fingertips and out through the heel as you flex the back foot. Reaching long. Slowly lower your left foot down, hand down, and step or carry your left leg through to low lunge. You can bring your hands to your knees, pulling up in the core, squaring the hips. Pull that right hip forward, left hip back. Inhale the arms up. And exhale as we open, right hand to the ground, turning to the left. Right knee in and tuck underneath, hugging your left knee to your chest. Inhale as you lengthen. Exhale, trying to find a little bit more rotation in the spine. Relax the twist. Come to your cross-legged position. And when you're situated, engage the core and lift the arms out and up on an inhale. And exhale as you release forward. Try to breathe into the hip flexors. Relax them. Keep breathing. And release. Lifting up. Inhale. Exhale as you twist to the left. Using your left knee and the floor for balance. As you inhale, lengthen. And exhale, twisting a little bit further. Not forcing with your knee. Really release the twist. Coming back to hands and knees, tuck the toes and send the hips up to the sky, walking the feet out in downward dog, one foot and then the other. Fingers are splayed wide, pressing the armpits into the ground. Bend the knees deeply. You can widen your stance. Really trying to lengthen in the spine. And rock forward into plank, taking the shoulders way out past the hands. Lower yourself down, squeezing the elbows in, and pressing up into a baby cobra, chest forward. Exhale, releasing down. Bring the fingertips outside of the mat. Hands are wide, and we press up, lifting the chest off of the mat. And releasing forward. Bringing your hands to your sides, pressing all the way up to up dog. Tuck your toes and send the hips back to hands and knees, and then up to downward dog. Find what feels good here, pressing the shoulders down. can have bent knees, walk them out, and slowly lower the knees to the floor. Sit to one hip and come to seated, slowly lowering down so you're lying flat on your back. Pull your right knee into your chest. Extend it forward, up towards the sky, flexed foot. Toes coming down towards you. Just feel a nice stretch in the hamstring. No need to push it, whatever feels comfortable. And now bend and release down to the ground. Pulling your left knee into your chest, then extending the heel up towards the sky. Pulling your toes down towards your face. Trying to get the knee straight. And now relax, bending the knee, taking your foot down to the ground. Pull your heels in towards your fingertips. Press your hands down to the ground, feet into the ground as you lift your hips up. Engage the core, squeezing the inside muscles towards each other. Try to open the chest, pressing your shoulders into the mat. And releasing the hips back down towards the ground. Pull both knees into your chest and give them a hug. Slowly release the feet back down to the floor, and again, pressing up into your bridge. Inside muscles squeezing towards each other. You can clasp your hands underneath you and press them down into the mat as you lift your hips higher. And if you want to take full wheel here, take your hands by your shoulders, pressing up, or you can stay where you are. Lift the heels up and slowly release everything down. Shoulders first, and slowly roll your body back onto the mat. And when your tailbone reaches the floor, hug your knees into your chest again. And now rock and roll until you come to a seated position. Get comfy. Hands to the knees. Allow your eyes to close. Turn your palms up on your knees. Allow your thoughts to come and go. Flow as they please. Feel free to lie back down, take a shavasana. Thank you for practicing with me today.